Now, certifications. If you develop safety critical in, let's say, automotive, you will have to cope with ISO 26262. If you develop in railways, probably you will have to cope with the EN 50128. If you develop a medical device, it will be IEC 62304 and so on and so forth. Depending on the market you are going to develop your safety critical product, there will be always a process standard you have to comply with. Now the point here is what about the tools you are going to use in your development? There is availability of the qualification and of a qualified tool for them, and if not, and if you want to use a tool which has not available qualification, who's going to qualify them for you? Is it something that is going to be on top of the final user, or is something to be on top of the company who ships the product? The answers to these questions are going to impact differently the ROI, specifically if a company chooses to qualify their own tools instead of letting this burden up on the producers of the tools themselves. It will have surely a cost amplification in terms of the time and the resources used to make this qualification process, but also it will incur in risks and uncertainty in the timelines required to do that, because it's usually a task which is not common, so it requires experiences and knowledge that is not so commonly shared.